Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market live session with Tony FX. And I'm the founder of Tennis Digital Link, where if you have a knowledge gap in digital trading, in real estate, and how to build wealth and sustain wealth, you can dive down to our website and grab a package. We have different packages, a 1 month package, we have a 3 months package, we have a 6 months package, we have a 1 year package, and you get a lot of value, tons of value. This is our team. We have a global team. We have those, but we are mainly decentralized, and you can be able to get the value you need on our platform, the education, the resources, and so on and so forth. So let's cut to the chase. Today is ADP. And ADP is a private sector form of non-farm payroll, or it's for the private sector, employment in the private sector. So I'll read to you what the ADP means, and we would go from there. Let me update this time. I'll read to you what the ADP means, and we'll go from there. Okay. Okay, so in about 26 minutes time, that is by 1:15 Nigerian time, the ADP will be dropped. 1:15 Nigerian time. So I needed us to have about 26 minutes to discuss, know more about this ADP. So ADP performs payroll service for its clients. The ADP National Employment Report is a measure of the monthly change in non-farm private employment based on the payroll data of approximately 400,000 US business clients. The release 2 days ahead of government data is used as a predictor of the government labor market report. A reading that is stronger than forecast is generally supportive, bullish for the dollar, while a weaker than forecast reading is generally negative. So ADP mainly is for private sector, non-farm payroll, and it's about 400,000 businesses. So this one is more like a foundation for what the government sector will look like. Government sector is what we know as non-farm payroll on Friday, but ADP is for private sector. And you know, the government needs the private sector to strive. The government needs the private sector to strive. So diving more into the ADP, I will check some past data and how the market reacted to that data. And one thing I will tell you guys is that don't make reactive actions. Don't place the trade before the news comes out. Don't even place the trade. Yes, let me just use that. We're not going to use an instant order. We're going to use more of a pending order mindset, because the ADP is more of strength driven. I'll show you guys what I mean. This is the 2nd of August 2023. So this means the 6th of July 2023. Let's see. And the actual was higher than the forecast. Let's go to one of the currency pairs. The ADP, when it is higher than forecast, it means dollar is stronger. But when the ADP is lower than forecast, it means dollar is weaker. So what are the pairs dollar are stronger over? Dollar is stronger than GBP. Dollar is stronger than CAD. Dollar is stronger than NZD. Dollar is stronger than AUD and NZD. This is the currency strength meter for today for the dollar. GBP, CAD, AUD, NZD. So let's check these pairs. GBP, dollar. So if I'm to check the GBP dollar, I'm meant to use this as my cause. If you don't understand what I mean, you need to go and grab a subscription package from our website and study our pro trading education. So that's the cause. And from what I say, I think the market is also on a downtrend. Okay. So from this, GBP is weaker than the dollar. And if the market turns out to be positive for the dollar, we can see GBP USD dropping more. So where would we be going to? Let's take psychological level, 1.27000 for GBP USD, psychological level for the sell. But let's check the past data. Let's check the past data, how the market reacted. On the 6th of 7th, on the 6th of 7th, 6th of July, by 1:30 appropriately. On the 6th of 7th, that is July 6th. When the market was high, what happened? The market sold off massively and then started going back up. Good results. On the 1st of June, it was higher than forecast as well. Let's see what the market did on the 1st of June. 1st of June, by the same time, it was higher than forecast. What did the market do? The market had a sprint down and then move up. Quite different from the last one. Then let's check another one. On the 3rd of 5th, 2023, by the same time, 3rd of 5th. That is May, 3rd of May. The same time, higher than forecast. What happened? The market shut down, and after shooting down, it went up. Different again. So now, the different one, which is lower than forecast, which was on the 5th of April, the same time, 1:30, 1:15, sorry, 5th of April. I think, am I correct? 5th of April, let me confirm that. 5th of April, yes, that's accurate. It was lower than forecast. What happened? When it was lower than forecast, the dollar was meant to be weak. What happened? The market went up. Yes, that's a good sign. The dollar was meant to be weak. It's going to put in some buyers. And what happened? The market dropped to the downside. Quite different, and quite different from what we expected. Okay, so the market is based on probability. I'm just showing you guys the outcome based on probability. And to justify the outcome, what will you say made the market to react the way it reacted? This same result I'm showing you guys now, I've checked it on EURUSD, to be honest. I've checked it on gold. I've checked it on GBP USD right now. And the same reaction. So now I'm trying to find the justification. Why did the market react the way it reacted? That's the question now. Okay, so I checked the currency strength meter. GBP is weaker than the dollar. The same with CAD, then AUD, then NZD. I'm more of the ADP should be of the private sector and doesn't really have much volume into the market. Based on what I've seen so far, the ADP is for the private sector. Yes, we know it is a high impact news and it is respected. But let's see this information. Let's read this information over again. I want just one line. See this line. This is the line I want to read. The release 2 days ahead of the government data, non-farm payroll, is used as a predictor of the government's labor market report. That word, predictor, it means a lot. It means that, okay, we should look at how the private sector did We can expect that in the government sector. Let's now justify that analogy. Let's justify that analogy. Let's check non-farm payroll data, front, back and forward, based on the private data, back and forward, back and forward. It's going to be a no-brainer. We're just trying to get conviction based on what we want, decision we want to make. And NFP is on Friday, and we'll be trading it live together with you guys as well. So where is that NFP? That is on Thursday, I guess. I'm on Thursday data. I want NFP that is on a non-farm period. This is the government unemployment rate. It's different from this. Yeah, that's the non-farm period. Let's go back and forwards now. And if you look at the first glance self, it's not the same. For July, it was lower. Private sector, for July, what happened? It was higher. For June, it was higher. Private sector, for June, it was higher. Public sector, for May, it was higher. Private sector, for May, it was higher as well. Then public sector, it was lower for this month. I think April, because the April data shows the previous month. Yes, April data shows for May. So April was low. Over here, it was low. Over here, it was high for March. Over here, it was high. Over here, it was high for February. Over here, it was low. So the word, that word we read over here cannot really justify the statements that we just, or the research we just did. So based on structure, I'm trading based on structure right now. I'm expecting the buy on EURUSD. Two things are justifying my moves. One is euro is stronger than the dollar. Euro is stronger than the dollar. And we had some good influential data that came out today. Good influential data for the euro that came out today. And one of the data was I think the car registration. No. Sorry about that. No highly good influential data. Mainly, the main structure that is pushing this is the currency strength meter and the structure of the market, more of a recovery phase. So we have about 15 minutes to go for the EURUSD and the news to be dropping on the ADP. To be honest with you, from my own angle, I will not be highly reactive to the market. I want to relax so that the data will come out, or I want to place, let's go to a lower time frame. I want to place a pending order. I want to place a pending order for a buy stop here for EURUSD. So that's what I'm replacing, buy stop order. Meanwhile, we have a resistance over here and also acting as a bearish return to origin. So this is where, if I'm meant to be taking my profits, it's going to be about here. It's a very bad decision to be buying from here because I'm buying at premium. Most times, me as a retail trader, I love to buy at discount. That's why I'm waiting for the market to come into this origin. Two things can play out. The market can use the data to push it down based on past reactions I've studied. And then from here, we can now see the buy to the upside. That's what my common sense is actually reading to me. But I'm not going to be reactive. To be honest with you, I will not be reactive. I'm not going to place a buy or a sell before the news comes out. I want the news to come out. I want to see the first 5 minutes reaction of the market To be honest, I want to see the first 5 minutes reaction of the market before I make a decision. Even if I miss it, no worries. I'm not worried about it. We have another trading opportunity tomorrow. GBP interest rate decision. I'm about 90% sure on that trade. About on this one, to be honest with you, probability base, I'm about 40 to 60 on this current trade. So that's what I'm telling you. I'm not going to be reactive. I'm not going to take the trade buy or sell instantly like we used to do before based on the last week trades we take. I want the market to react. I want the market to tell me, hey, bro, this is what we're doing. This is what about. I want to see that candle reaction. There is a particular candle reaction EURUSD does for me. I want to see it. If I see it, I'm taking the trade. So that's what I expect. I'm not going to jump in instantly, not to make a rapid decision. To be honest with you, it's better you are 90% sure about the probability of a move than you're about 40 to 60. If the move happens without me, good. Not trading is part of trading. It's not every day that you trade. And conserving your capital instead of loss is best. It will save you financial stress. It will save you mental stress. So that's me currently right now. It's not that I'm afraid to play the trade. It's just that based on probability, I cannot see what justifies me to be reactive towards the decision I'm about to place a buy or sell. But overall, I'm seeing a buy setup for EURUSD. So let's look down. Let's see other risky assets and see what they're doing. Let's see all the risky assets that are ahead of dollar. That's what I want to check now. USJPY, I'll check USJPY, I'll check Euro. Euro is just correcting for the up push. I can see that. Then CHF. Then yes, let's check CHF. CHF is meant to be moving in. Okay, can see CHF. I think, did you go for a correction? No, we broke a new high. CHF broke a new high over here. So what I can be seeing on CHF is if it came back to this return to origin from yesterday, and I missed this trade setup, but that's it. So let's look for the next origin. Market might come back into over here. Maybe this will full efficiency. This will be efficiency. The market could come back to this point. In 10 minutes time, in 10 minutes time, the ADP drops. In 10 minutes time, the ADP drops. Then let's see USJPY. What's going on? Wow, you can see. I like that. And JPY is the strongest currency. This is why the market to come back into this origin. That's why I expect market to come back into. Well, if it doesn't do that, you can extend. So corrective structure mainly. No much move, but we'll see what we can do about it. Like I said, I want the market to react before I take my decision or I make my decision. And this psychological level, you see the market has been trending smoothly. Bounce, arrow, go. Let's see. That's a good bounce. So structure wise, this seems like a good trade setup. The USDJPY trade setup. But if you can see where the discount issue is, the issue there is now if you enter the market for yourself, so you can take it at the psychological level to weak down into that point. But structure wise, I think just take what the market gives you. So I've not called out any trade though. I've not called out any trade, but mainly Euro is meant to be a pending order. That should be in about 7 minutes time. Market is buying. I won't react. Let's see what the ADP says. Fear of missing out can play out as your emotion right now. I know. Everybody wants a trade. Everybody wants to make money. So I'm not allowing the fear of missing out to play out on me. Do whatever I want to do, but I'll say what I'll say. I'm not reacting. I want the news to come out. I want to see the news do what it needs to do. Come back into my origin. You have not filled the origin yet. You have not filled the origin. This is fear of missing out. If you buy it now, it could go and do stop loss. I don't want that. So I'll be relaxed. Let the news come out in 6 minutes time, because probability wise, the direction of the ADP has not been consistent based on the volume it comes with. The volume of liquidity it needs to push the market based on, like, if you say that the dollar is strong, yes, you say that dollar is strong. Well, push dollar in the actual direction because it's strong. You don't have the volume to do that. That's one thing that I'm not too satisfied with the ADP. You understand? So structure-wise is what I'm trading now. Structure-wise, it needs to come into my origin and I see it for the buy. I'm comfortable with this buy. My stop loss below the psychological level, below this return to origin, and also into this return to origin. Yeah, I'm comfortable with this Euro USD buy setup. Dollar has already bought. And I told you guys this morning, most of you guys to close your buy position. The market came here this morning. This was where the market was. I closed it out because of the ADP. But you see, the market has been moving up quite good, heading to our target. I don't know how many of you that it took out, but it didn't take me out. Because I entered with this week. There was this week here that week into this return to origin. This was the week I entered with. So my 40 pips was quite far. When I say 40 pips and then 120 pips. So in a few minutes time, the ADP drops. That's in 5 minutes. And then crude oil inventory by 5:30. I'll keep an eye on that. Aside from that, there's no other major mover. Then we'll move our focus to tomorrow live trading session for GBP. That should be around that should be in the afternoon. Let me see. GBP, that should be by by 12. Well, we'll start trading by 11:30. Start trading by 11:30. That should be by 12 tomorrow. So we'll start trading by 11:30. So that's it. ADP is about to drop in a few minutes time. USD, what are you doing? Come back into this H conversation point. Does not fulfill the efficiency though. Okay, then AUD move the market down from yesterday. I'll trace it up on Monday till now. The market has been moved a lot of pips. Okay, this is about 141 pips from our trade entry from the other day. That was on Monday when I caught this signal. So if I've held, we closed out on 60 pips yesterday. That was it. So if you have held, congratulations. Okay, like I said, I'm more of a pending order guy on Euro USD. Apply proper risk management to apply proper risk management. Don't forget to apply proper risk management. ADP drops very soon. Apply proper risk management. Come on. This should load my charts. Okay. Apply proper risk management. ADP dropping soon. In 3 minutes time, ADP drops. In 3 minutes time. In a minute time, ADP drops. Was higher than forecast. Came back into our zone. I'm taking the buy now. For Euro USD. I'm taking the buy now for Euro USD. Okay, thank you, ADP. Like I said, no much volume. It just came to tap in. Moving up. So our trade, buy Euro USD, 60 pips stop loss, 20 pips take 20 pips stop loss, 60 pips take profit. Apply proper risk management. Let's see for other pairs, the dollar is stronger than I know that it's gonna sell you off like crazy. Then let's see what happened to gold. Gold is dropping, coming back to our entry. Like I said, that's why I told you guys, close that trade. Then which other pair are you stronger than? You're stronger than CAD, you're stronger than NZD, you're stronger than AUD. What's going on in those pairs? You can see no much move. It was just meant to you come and tap into my zone for Euro. So don't chase the market. You can probably place a pending order for the Euro, to be honest with you. Don't chase the market. We have London, we have New York session that will still start up. We were already in New York session, but we have the New York candle by 2. So don't chase the market. Just wait for the market to come into this point. 1.09684. 1.09684. Wait for the market to come into there. Then 20 pips stop loss, 60 pips take profit. Grab. Don't chase the market. Don't go and enter the trade. Yeah, it is. Wait for it to come into this point. There is a reason, and there's a reason for this price. There's a reason for this point and this price. 1.09682. That's the buy. I'm not buying at. I'm deleting my pending order for the buy stop. This is now buy limits. It's coming to here, 20 pips stop loss, 60 pips take profit. You can even extend it. You have a much higher ground. You can even put it up to 1:70, 75 pips. But me, I want to do just 1:3, 60 pips. That's it for the ADP trade. Thank you for participating. I hope you guys got value. If you guys got value, if you got value, rush to our website right now. Go and grab a package, 10x Digital Learning Academy. If you have a knowledge gap in whatever we're discussing, whatever charts we're showing you, how to use these signals, how to place these trades, then you need to grab a package. This is a 1 month package, $49, 3 months package, $139.65. Then 6 months is $264.06, and 1 year is $470.04. It's a no-brainer. You gain access to our exercise book. We have a test book, Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success. You gain access to it. You gain access to our comprehensive one-on-one mentorship. You gain access to expert mentors. We bring in mentors from New York and from London to educate you on Forex trading, different terminologies, different trading styles, different mindsets. Then we also give access to softwares and indicators. We're currently working on an expert advisor, and currently we'll be listing them on our website very soon, whereby you can buy these expert advisors and you can make your trading passive, to be honest with you, passive. We're also working with top brokers like Hot Forex, so that you can be able to gain access to the Hot Forex copy trading opportunity, whereby you can connect your account to our own account, the master trader on the Hot Forex broker, because the broker we use is Hot Forex. You sign up for this broker, a minimum of $25, the copy trading starts. You just connect your account to my own account. As for placing trades on my own account, it will replicate into your own. You also gain access to our signals, you understand? So you can be able to see where we place this trade, why we place this trade, and how we place this trade. And you can ask questions whenever we come on this live show. So if you have any inquiries, just hit me up on WhatsApp. I don't know where you're connected from, but just hit me up on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping a number on the chat box. If you're already a student, you need to subscribe your package or subscribe your package, because by the weekend, I will be evaluating those that their packages has expired and be removed from the VIP group. So if you're a student already, get your funds, resubscribe for a package, a signal package mainly, because I think you already have the educational content, a signal package mainly. But if you want to learn more, good, you can resubscribe for a monthly package, 3 months package, and learn more, because we're adding more materials. We're thinking right now, let me end this record for now.